In this video, I'm going to show you how to change this dirty filter from there. And this is the filter that I bought. I went with the MicroGuard. It's a really good filter. I got it from O'Reilly's for like about $15. The part number is MGA 46673. And the parts that you're going to need is going to need a ratchet, a 3-inch extension, a 10mm deep socket. There's a screw located only right here, and then just one on the other side. Just pull them out, unscrew them, and you're gonna lift this up and slide it in. I'll show you right now. So basically, you stick the extension in there first, and then you connect the ratchet to the extension, and then you start screwing it. And do the same thing to that one right there. Basically, after you unscrew the two 10mm from both sides, what I did, I just lifted up this little box right here and slid out the air filter through there. As you can see, this one's already dirty, really dirty. It's hard to tell with the camera, but yeah, it's really dirty already, you know. Compared to the new one, this one's all nice and clean. So the same method is going to apply. Just make sure that when you put it in there, that these little tabs, these little indents right here on both sides right there, that they're facing downward. So these little indents, they're going to be facing you when you put it in. So it's going to go in there something like that, like so. So once you have slipped it in there, see how it's already in there, just do the process in the reverse method. You can either start with this one or the other screw, but just make sure also too, you got to make sure that these tabs are in here, they're in there correctly. There's two of them, the other one's right there. That's another thing you got to make sure. Okay, thanks for watching, and please share, leave a comment, like, subscribe. It would really help me out, and God bless y'all. Take care out there. Peace.